welcome to SpoonCrafty Kitchen. My name is Farhad, and in this episode, I'm going to share with you a recipe to make amazing falafels. And then I'm also going to share with you a simple recipe for tahini sauce and a mixture salad of tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, which complements the whole dish. So be sure to stick to the end of this video to learn all of that. And as you know, chickpeas or garbanzo beans, the main ingredients in dish, is a great source of fiber and protein, which we need them in our daily diets. It is almost lunchtime here, and I'm very hungry. And so without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this recipe, we can use two different kind of chickpeas, dry or canned. Dry is the more authentic way to do, and the canned is the more convenient way. If you use the dry, they need to be soaked overnight, or at least, at most 24 hours. I do them at 24 hours. The canned, keep in mind, the canned chickpeas are already cooked. So you gotta get a mushier mixture, and then you need to use more flour to get it to the right consistency that you want. Hope that helps. So this is 3 cups of the soaked chickpeas. If you're using a can, you need about 1 can. It's about less than a pound, 15 ounce or 15 and a half ounce, something like that. So 3 cups, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of parsley and 1/4 cup of cilantro, which I have them here. And then we're going to have a 1/4 large onion or half a small onion, diced. And you're probably wondering why I dice this, since everything goes through the food processor. Well, it's just that just something that I do because I want everything to be nice, a small size. Sometimes the food processor can't get everything, or you're gonna have different sizes of different ingredients. So that's just something I do. And then we're going to add about 3 or 4 garlic cloves, minced. I use more than that because I love garlic, but there you are. And then we're going to use a lemon juice of 1 lemon, either small or half large. We just add that. And then we're going to add some 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Forgive me if I'm not using spoon, because my eyes can pretty much tell how much is 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. So that's for that. And then we're going to use half a teaspoon ground coriander. Maybe about that much. And then about 1 teaspoon of salt. And some cayenne pepper. This depends on your taste. If you like it spicy, you put more. If you don't, just a little bit, or you can eliminate it. But I love spicy, so I'm putting there as much as I like. And then last but not least, we're going to put some baking soda. And then sometimes I have some chickpea flour here, but I'm gonna wait until we're gonna mix everything and see if there's wetness. If it's too wet, then I'm gonna take care of that by adding some chickpea flour, because we don't want them too wet. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get this going. We're gonna do a very smart burst, a very short burst, and then we're gonna periodically check the consistency of the mix. We don't want them too smooth, and we don't want them too coarse. So it's just about right consistency, which I'm going to show you. Okay, I think I have to plug this in. There we go. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we need to do some more. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we still need to do a little bit more. All right. Maybe 2 or 3 more. Okay, and we want to keep stirring it to make sure everything gets under the blade and the blade kind of moves them around. Yeah, we still need to do a few more cycles. 1, 2. Oh, yes, I think we got it perfect. Yep, this is exactly how you want it. And you can see it is a little bit too wet, but as I mentioned, we're going to take care of that by chickpea flour. We're going to add some of the chickpea flour to it, but I'm going to transfer this to a bowl, and then we'll add some flours to it. So yeah, it is kind of wet, so we just need a little bit more flour, chickpea flour to add to it, and then I like to get it out, get the mixture out of the food processor and put it in a bowl, so there's more freedom to move things around and mix things better. So let's see here. Yeah, I think we're getting to the perfect consistency. So you want things to be shaped easily and stay that way. You don't want them to fall apart, especially when you fry them. So I think we're good here. Use the rest of that. Yeah, perfect. Smells wonderful. So let's see. Yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna use the ice cream scoop to scoop them and then form them into a patty shape. I don't do ball shape because patties cooks a lot faster. I don't use much oil. And then when I'm gonna make sandwich with them, they're just perfect for sandwich. So, and that's the way I have always done it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this in the patty shape and then start frying it. All right, as you can see, they're nicely being fried in the oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, and you want to fry them like 2-3 minutes on each side or until they're golden brown and fully cooked. That depends on what you're using and what temperature you have it on. But if you see that you notice that they're falling apart, that means that your flours are too wet. So it should have add more flour to it. But I think here we're doing very well. Yeah, I can see that. So you want to have another spatula when you flip them over. It prevents them from the oil to splash everywhere, like that. Beautiful. Smells amazing. These are, oops, there you go. This one is this is how you want them, kind of, maybe a little bit more darker. There we go. We're in no rush. We want to take our time. um, and let them cook to the right temperature. So after um, we fry the flowers and they're done, we simply put them on a sheet tray like this with paper towel underneath to release the oil, because they absorb oil while they're being fried, and then they're gonna release it. So we're gonna leave them on the paper towel for 5-10 minutes, and then while that's waiting for that, we're going to make our tahini sauce and our salad. So the tahini sauce is very easy. Half a cup of tahini, quarter cup of water, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I usually do 1 small lemon juice. And then or half a large lemon, and then 2 cloves of garlic minced, finely minced, and then quarter teaspoon of salt, and some ground cumin, a few shakes, and then mix everything together. And there you have it. You don't want it too runny, and this is the perfect consistency that you want. And then the next thing is our cucumber, tomato, onion salad, and this is essential. This is amazing salad, very fresh, very easy, very simple. I call it summer salad. So it's basically chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, however you want it, diced, sliced. I use about 1 small tomato, half a cucumber, skin seeded, and then about half onions, diced or sliced, salt and pepper, maybe about 1 small lemon juiced, the juice of 1 lemon, and then some oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and I don't know if I mentioned salt and pepper, and you mix everything, and it's ready. That simple. So here we are, folks. This is the moment I have been waiting for. So I'm gonna go 1 for now, and then some tahini sauce, and I'm going to put, this is, by the way, whole wheat and some other ingredients into this pita bread. And it's the first time I'm trying it. So here we are. This is what I'm talking about. It looks amazing, and I know it tastes even better. So anyway, this is going to be my lunch. I'm actually going to have another one, obviously, and I got 2 more. Maybe I'll have those too. Who knows? But anyway, this is how simple it is. Simple, delicious, healthy. You can go wrong with that. This is one of my very, very favorite lunches. I highly, highly recommend to make it and have it as often as you want. And once you have it, believe me, you're going to be addicted. You're going to be addicted. Folks, thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. It is truly an amazing dish. I would highly recommend to try it. And please leave me a comment in the comment section below if you made this dish before, or what is your favorite way to do it? Is it dry chickpeas or canned chickpeas? Anyway, or if there's anything in the recipe that you'd like to change or you would change. Anyway, I would love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed this video and found value in it, please consider liking and subscribing. Your subscription support my channel and promote me to make more contents like this. So for those who already have subscribed, thank you so much. And hope we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, because I have more videos coming. I have one more coming this end of this week, and I have more coming next week and beyond. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.